7:30, February 10th, 2018, pardon me. Plan was to attach this to the wall outside, kind of like this, and of course attach this here to prevent the weather from ruining this. But as I was fooling around with it, it just occurred to me that perhaps you could do it like this. I mean, why not? Not only would you see the wooden part more, and it would give more of a, woody look to this whole thing, but also this would sit here kind of perfectly, rather than kind of hanging out here. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing, putting it here like this, and of course attach it to the wall outside. It will be like this. I think this would look better. And it has some decent steel. Well, it's not a steel apparently, but some decent kind of metal, whatever it is. I think it would hold on for a long time. Thank you.